Hey y'all, happy freaking Tuesday y'all. I just got back. Okay, I just got back from the store. I needed me some little snacky snacks. I needed me something to eat. This week my parents are actually out. They're in Nashville, so I am in charge of the farm and I'm in charge of making sure everything is ran properly. They left yesterday morning, so today is actually my second day by myself. I don't know when they're coming back. They never say when they're coming back. They'll probably come back like tomorrow or the day after, who knows. I have like low-key, like I be getting anxious going out and doing things like by myself. That like I get anxious doing stuff by myself. And so, especially being here, like, I just be thinking about a lot. Like, I be thinking, like, here specifically, I can do stuff by myself in Nashville. Like, I do it all the time. Because I'm very, like, used to Nashville. Like, I know everybody. Like, people are, like, I know how Nashville is. I know the vibes. But down here, I be, like, kind of scared. Like, I don't know. Like, these people are, I don't know. Like, I don't feel the vibes. Anyway. I just went by myself and I'm like happy because I faced my fears and I did it by myself. Y'all just look at me right now. I am about to do a get ready with me cause I'm tired of looking like this, y'all. Like I look crazy, but I'm about to get ready to go do nothing. I'm about to go pick the grapes and I want to do something to my hair and I want to do something to my face. I'm not gonna do a lot because I'm not going anywhere, but yeah. First off, hi. It's really bright back there. It's like really bright back there because of the sun. It's hot in here. What the crap? It's extremely humid outside. Y'all, look at me. I look like lavender. Y'all, I look like lavender. It's extremely humid outside, and every time I have my hair down, like, it frizzes up. It's not bad, but it is. I'm gonna just keep it up in a ponytail. I'm gonna keep it up in a bun as of right now while I do my makeup. Y'all already know the routine. Y'all, my parents coming back today. I don't know how I feel about that. I low-key been having like a great time by myself, you know, my own little solitude and my own little, you know, my own little world. It's been good. It's been great, you know. No drama, no nothing, you know. It's just been great. Just been good getting my videos in, like, you know, it's been really good here by myself, y'all. But I was a little bit scared, like, hold on, I was scared, like, when I'm by myself, especially here because it's so dark outside, like, and there's no lights because we are in the country. Y'all, my mom be making up anything. My mom be making up any and every little thing. Like, I was just so scared for no reason. I was like, what is that noise? Anyway, my mom be making up, and I was just scared for no reason. Like, literally, I was like thinking of the worst possible monsters. Like, and I know how childish is that. Like, I was thinking of monsters. Like, I literally was thinking of a dang monster. Like, y'all, first off, I don't even know why I'm pretending like I can see in this mirror. I need to put these glasses back on so I can see. But anyways, like, y'all, I had, like, my imagination is big. My imagination is huge. And, like, just being here by myself, like, every time I look out a window, mind you, we don't have blinds on the front windows, and I have to go through the front to go to, like, my room where I'm sleeping. And literally, like, I was like, I'm not gonna look out the windows. Like, I'm not gonna look out the windows because my mind keep telling me that there's like it's gonna be something watching me. It's gonna be something watching me back. Like, yo, I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, but I am so silly, y'all. Like, I've been here by myself before. Never thought of that. Like, I'm the type of person where like I walk in the dark. Literally, like, I do not care. Like, I like the dark. I walk in the dark. Like, I don't cut no lights on. None. I'm just one of them people, and I don't know why I am, but I am. And y'all, I gotta focus on doing this mascara, so hold on. Okay, I'm not completely done with the mascara, but I'm just gonna move on at this point. I'm gonna go back to it. Yeah, like, I am a person, but I can walk in the dark. And it's just something about this time I was like, while I was by myself, I just kept scaring myself. Like, I don't know, like, my mind just kept trying to scare me, and I'm just like, what's wrong? Like, stop. Like, I still had fun by myself. I like being in a house by myself because I feel like calm when I'm in the house by myself. But anyways, they're on their way back now, and I'm just like, I won't feel like calm and collected anymore. But it's okay. It's fine. I really don't know why I'm putting on blush like this. And I honestly don't know how it looks because, y'all, I feel like I'm legally blind. Like, without these glasses, I can't see anything. Like, I can see, listen, I can see, but I'm not gonna see the details. So if it looks crazy in the camera, it's because I can't see. And I'm just like winging it, and I'm just filling it out. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished product. I didn't do anything to my hair. I just brushed it down. I don't really know if it's really giving, but it's gonna give at this moment. I don't really know how it looks, so let me put my glasses on. It ain't that bad. It's not that bad. It's good enough to go outside and go pick some berries. I ran out of brown lip liner and I don't know what to do. Because brown lip liner is just so goated, bro. Like, I just love brown lip liner and I can't live without it. This is the finished product at the moment. Let's go pick some grapes. Y'all, I'm trying to pick these freaking grapes. There's wasps everywhere and like bees, and I'm scared.
Oh, I cannot explain. Every time it's the same. Oh, I feel that it's real. Take my heart. I've been lonely too long. Oh, I can't be so strong.
Get! So as I suspected, my hair feels very poofy right now. I'm sweating like a dog. And yeah, so this hair is going up. I just feel it, y'all. Like, I feel it. This is crazy. I tried to cut them grapes. I tried, but it was wasps, it was yellow jackets, it was like bees, it was everything on them grapes. So I said, you know what, y'all can have them, or I'm gonna just wait until my parents can do it, because I'm not doing it. Like, they were doing too much. Like, why are y'all on the grapes? What are y'all doing? They're supposed to be pollinating or whatever they do. What is the purpose of wasps anyway? What's the purpose of y'all? Why y'all here? That's what I want to know. So I'm about to go back inside. I just took a little walk down to the pond to just look at it and let my little baby out so she can like run around. But yeah, I'm about to go back inside, put my hair back up in that little bun that I had, and yeah, because those grapes, I thought it was gonna be a vibe. It wasn't. Y'all are just gonna have to bear with the fog because it's really foggy outside. I mean, really humid outside. Hey. What are you crying about every day? Huh? Why you gotta be crying every day, huh? Yeah, okay. You can eat. Come in.